Hello and welcome to this question on rounding. You'll notice we aren't allowed to use a calculator for this, but never mind, we'll just have to make the best of it. Okay, so write 3.2345 correct to 2 decimal places. So this doesn't look too bad. The first thing is to find the last digit. So we want 2 decimal places, so that's going to be 1, 2, this 3 here, so I'll circle that. The next digit is the decider, and remember that tells us whether to round up or not. It's less than or equal to 4, so we keep the 3, and that means our answer is 3.23. Okay, moving on to part B. Estimate the answer to the following calculation. Show the values you use. Right, so to estimate, I'm just going to round these numbers to one significant figure. So starting with the 29, write that down. Okay, so for each of these, the last digit is going to be the first significant figure. So here it's 2. The decider is 9, so we round 2 up to 3. But we've still got a gap here before the decimal point, if you imagine that going there. So we need to fill that in with a 0 and we get 30. Okay, 11.44. Again, this is the last digit. The decider is 1, so we keep our 1. And again, we've got a gap to fill in, so we add a 0 to get 10. Lastly, 0.48. This time we've got a 0 at the start, so we ignore that and hop along to the 4. So that's our last digit. The decider is 8, so that means we round up and we get 0.5. And there's no need to add any extra zeros this time. Okay, so now I just need to put these numbers into this calculation. So the top line becomes 30, and the bottom line is 10 times 0.5. So that's 30. And this is just times by 10, so we can move the decimal point, and we get 5. So that's 30 divided by 5, which is 6. And so 6 is our answer. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the marks. There are 2 available, so you'd get the first mark for rounding at least 2 of these numbers correctly, so that's this line here, and you'd get the second mark for doing the calculation and getting the right answer. Okay, so that was a lovely question on rounding and estimating, featuring one significant finger.